Canon call this the everyday lens for your EOS R system. Let's try it every day. You know what I mean. Let's try it out. This is a full frame lens then. Check out the combination here. We've got this nice aperture selector right there. I'm going to call it an aperture ring, whatever. It does keep going round and round and round and round, and you can't declick it if you're a video shooter, but this isn't going to be your primary video lens if you're at that I need a click-free sort of level. Very nice though. Manual focus, nice, smooth, not too loose, not too heavy. We've got a little lock so you can't knock your zoom out of place, and then we can go from the full range 24 to 105. Pretty heavy movement, not necessarily smooth as anything. Nice flush AF MF and a stabilizer on off. Apparently we're getting about 5 stops there. We're getting a decent close focusing of 0.45, magnification 0.24, and you know the specs. Here we are then. This is Luke. You may remember him from the XH1 videos. Go check him out on Instagram at Blackman Health and Fitness, something like that. We'll put it up on the screen. We're going to shoot some stills straight out the camera. JPEGs, yes, the EOS R has a lot more capability, but this is a lunchtime session. The sun is particularly harsh, as you can probably gather. It's not ideal at all. So let's see how we get on. I'll see you on the other side. As far as kit lens goes, absolute winner, smashes it out of the park. Super sharp, very well built, easy to operate, and I'm really glad it's got that aperture ring personally. Stabilization is working beautifully, as you would expect. Yes, it's just an f4 lens, but in the vein of the previous 24 to 105L, it's a winner. It's got that nice lock button just in case you want to make sure you don't lose your place. That's a nice feature. It's well built, it feels good, and it just performs well. Do you think you'll buy it for something like traveling, or maybe for a professional application? That's what I want to hear from you. I know personally this would be a run around travel lens, but as I'm a fan of smaller gear, this lens probably wouldn't be for me. I'd probably go for some smaller primes. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment below, let us know what you think about the new Canon EOS R and RF gear. By the way, if you're in Birmingham at any time, go check out Wex, ask for Adele, tell them I sent you, check out the store.